Until now, we were choosing columns, right? Now we will choose rows. We don't always want all of the data, right? Sometimes we want specific ones. So let's let me show you the table. This is the table that we have, right? Students, right? And we have four rows. Okay. What if we only want a student that whose city is Delhi, right? So how we are going to do this, right? Okay. First, let me show you how we are going to do this. So we will be asking everything. Select star from table. Table is students, and I just want city where city name is equal to Delhi. How we are going to do this? We do this using something called where. We write where and the column on which we are filtering, that is city, and then equal to means Delhi. Okay, let me run this, then I'm going to explain this one in more detail to you. So it gave us only two rows, right? Let me show you the complete data. Let me pin this one first. Okay, so we have two. If we look at the complete data, right, we have Ayan that lives in Delhi and Zara lives in Delhi, right? And these two guys, Ria and Kabir, does not live in Delhi, right? So as expected, our query gave us two rows only, right? Ayan and Zara. So this, if you look at this keyword, right, this keyword, this one helps in filtering data. Where means condition, right? I'm giving where is just used to filter data, right? Where, and this is the column, or this is the column on which we are filtering. Our question was to get us all of the details from the table students, where student lives in city Delhi, right? So that's why equal to all of the city, that is all the student where city name is equal to city name is equal to Delhi. So we does that by putting city is equal to Delhi, right? Now, and also where, what where does here is, it will SQL will go each row by row. For example, it came here, row number one, it checked if city name is Delhi. Yes, city name is Delhi. It pulled it. It went to row number two. Is city name is Delhi? No, it didn't pull it, right? Went to three, city name Delhi? No. Went to four, city name is equal to Delhi? Yes, it pulled the records, right? It went to all the rows and it pulled the data. Okay, let's go to the another example. What if I want you to give me all of the records from this table where marks is equal to 85? Okay, okay, let me write you. Give me all the record data from table where student marks is equal to is equal to 85. What I'm asking, right? It should ring bell in your table. It should ring a bell, right? That marks, right? This is a column. Marks. Here is marks. What I'm asking, marks should be equal to 85. So how should I start? How should you start writing it, right? So my first one would be to write select, obviously, right? And I'm asking for everything, so it will be a star again. Now I want from where? From students table, right? From a students. What do you want to filter? Marks, right? And which keyword we use to filter? Keyword is called where, and I want marks equal to 85. Let me run this. Okay, before running this query, can you tell me what will be the answer? Just looking at the data. It should be this one, right? Because only marks is 85 on the first row, right? Where ID is 1, right? Let me run this one. So as expected, it returned just one row for ID number 1, right? Now, what if I ask you to give me information about all of the students where marks is greater than 85? Okay, not equal to, greater than. So how these things changed, right? How things changes here. So now, like, select star from students where marks, now it's not equal to, it's greater than 85. So greater than 85, this is the this is equation for equal to, this is for greater than, right? So I will be writing greater than, marks greater than 85. Let's write it. So now looking at the data, can you tell me what should be the answer here? So which marks are greater than 85? Is 85 greater than 85? No. Is 90 greater than 85? Yep. So this rows would be in answer. Is 78 greater than 85? No. Is 92 greater than 85? Yes. Okay. So we are going to get two rows as answer. Let me run this one. And as expected, we got this one, right? So these are basic operators. Okay. This is greater. This is for equal to. This is for greater than, right? These are basic comparison operators. Very simple. Now, what if instead of, now, okay, let me give you a question. Okay, give me all, give me give me data from table students where marks is less than 90, and give me only name and marks. Pause the video, okay, write the SQL, okay, and then run it, and then only come back to the video. Okay, I hope you have written the SQL form. You have got the answer. Okay, now let's start writing it. So I'm asking, give me data from the students. Which table? From a students table, right? So I will write select from students, and I'm asking here only name and marks, not all, everything, right? Now star is not valid thing here, because we are asking for name and marks. So I will write name, comma, marks. From where? From table student. From students. And what is the condition here? I'm asking where marks is less than 90. So I'm going to write marks less than 90. Let's run this one. Okay. So these two rows are where these two students are where a student got marks less than 80. Marks less than 90, right? Makes sense, right? Okay. What if I ask you to give me marks equal to this if you look at this query, here I was asking for marks greater than 85, right? What if I ask you greater or equal to, not just greater than equal to? So let me run this query. So it also gave us marks where marks was 85, right? Equal to is there, right? Remember, equal to. Now in the same, in this query, if I ask you to give me the name and marks of the student where marks is less than or equal to, not just less than equal to, right? Okay, this should be coming here, marks less than or equal to. Let me run this, right? So here we have 90 included in the result, right? So this is a simple basic operator. This is for equal to, this is for greater than equal to, this is equal to, this is greater than, this is less than, this is greater than equal to, this is less than equal to, and I'm going to talk about not equal to 2, right? This is not equal to, or you can say this is also not equal to. This both are used for not equal to. So if I ask you about to write a query, okay, let me just copy this query. If I ask you to give me write a query where city is not equal to Delhi, give me everything, give me give me the name and city of all of the student for whose for which the value is not equal to Delhi, right? This is not equal to operator. Let me run this query. So it gave me Pune and Mumbai, right? Delhi is not available this query data, right? Because we made here not equal to. We can also use this symbol. This is also not equal to. Whichever value you want, you can use this. This is also not equal to. Let me run this one. Oh, sorry, a typo here, right? Pune and Mumbai, right? Now you can control what to see, right? You can control columns. You can just select the column that you want. You can select the rows that you want using where filter, right? Next, we will combine multiple conditions, not just one condition. We will work with multiple conditions here. Okay. Okay. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give a like, right? Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.